You just shipped a product in 2 hours with Cursor, Windsurf, or Claude Code. The build is real, the demo works, and then you hit record, watch the loom back, and it looks like a low-quality screencast with dead air, a shaky cursor, and you saying, 3 times before you find the file. That recording is not going to survive the Product Hunt front page. So here's how to turn it into a launch video without opening a timeline. Head to ngram.com and start a new project. Drop your raw screen recording straight in. Alongside it, you can add your landing page URL, your README, a Figma export, whatever context describes what you built. Ngram reads all of it as source material for the video. Now tell the agent what it needs to do. Audience: developers on Product Hunt. Goal: drive upvotes and signups. Length: 60 seconds for the main cut. Then give it the instruction that matters most for a raw dev demo. Clean up the dead air and the mistakes. Add smart zooms on the code editor when I type, and on the UI preview when the app updates. Keep the cursor emphasized on every click. Hit generate, and Ngram plans the whole thing in plain language first. You see the script, the storyboard, and every scene before a single frame renders. If scene 2 is dragging, you just type shorten scene 2, and it rewrites. No restarts, no re-uploads. When you approve the plan, production runs automatically. Ngram writes an AI voiceover in a modern tech voice that matches developer content. It auto-cuts dead air and stumbles. It blurs API keys, email addresses, and anything that looks like personal data. It drops animated call-out arrows on the features you want reviewers to notice, like the Cascade panel in Windsurf or the AI chat in Cursor. And it wraps the whole thing in a branded intro and outro, using the logo, colors, and fonts from your brand kit. You get a polished walkthrough back, captions burned in, high contrast, ready for autoplay feeds. Before you ship, pull the social cutdowns from the same project. Export a 9x16 vertical clip for X and LinkedIn, a 1x1 for the feed, and keep your 16x9 for the Product Hunt gallery. One project, every format, on brand every time. That is the full pipeline. Raw loom in, launch-ready video out, in minutes instead of days. The same teams at Zapier, HubSpot, and Deal use Ngram to ship polished product video without a production team. And it works just as well for a solo indie hacker on launch day. Go to ngram.com, drop in the recording of the product you just built, and launch with a video that actually matches the work. Link is in the description.